journey starts here, where the train meets the rail. Today we are going to explore Gwa Kairu Town in this week's town feature. I hope you're going to enjoy the video. Like, subscribe and comment down below on where you'd want us to go next. 30 kilometers from Nairobi, and yet this place has a life of its own. This is Gwa Kairu. Most people drive past it on the superhighway. They don't stop. That is a mistake. Gwa Kairu is not a stopover. It is a destination. A town that is building itself, block by block. And today, we go inside. Let's start with what gets you here. Roads. The 150 million Gwa Kairu Thika Superhighway link. It changed everything for this town. Before, dust, potholes and frustration. Now, tarmac, smooth, connected. Nairobi CBD is 30 minutes away. That is the power of infrastructure. The county didn't stop there. The Gwa Kairu Jacaranda tarmac road, also done. Side roads are being upgraded to Maram to bitumen, slowly but surely. Gwa Kairu is no longer far from anything. And if you are watching this from outside Kenya, this is what a growing Kenyan town looks like. Not perfect, but moving forward. This is where Gwa Kairu breathes, the market. Open every day, no rest. Sukuma wikis, tomatoes, oranges, everything your household needs, right here. Prices? Friendly, very friendly. The main street has hardware shops, M-Pesa, chemists, salons on every corner. Supermarkets serving the growing population, and petrol stations, at least 2 visible from the main junction. Real businesses, learning businesses, not a ghost town, a live one. The Matatu stage tells you how connected this town is. Nairobi, Thika, Ruiru and Kiambu. You can get to all of them from here. Businesses follow movement, and Gwa Kairu is always moving. Government is present here. The chiefs come. Light in the heart of the town. Land matters, disputes, ID issuance. This is where residents come for answers. The area falls under Juja Sub-County administration. Murera Ward, to be specific. County services are active here. Business permit, licensing, revenue correction. Worth noting, Juja Sub-County was recently reclassified from Zone B to Zone A. That means high county levies. Businesses here felt it. But it also signals one thing. The government sees this area as prime. Prime means investment. Investment means growth. Gwa Kairu is not forgotten by the government. In fact, this is being watched very closely. Healthcare. A town is only as good as the healthcare services. Gwa Kairu has a dispensary serving the local community, a first point of care. For more complex needs, Thika Level 5 is close, 30 minutes on a good day. Private clinics have also set up here, filling the gap. Mother and child healthcare is catered for. There is a chemist on every street, affordable medicine and accessible. Is the healthcare perfect? Not yet, but for a town of this size, it is functional. And the county government has undergone renovation plans, more facilities and better equipment. That's the direction. The people of Gwa Kairu deserve better healthcare infrastructure, and the conversation is happening slowly, but happening.
Remember, you don't get it twice, the time of your life. Don't look at the past, no, we're not going.
Education is taken seriously in Gwa Kairu. Primary school anchoring the community. Gwa Kairu Dome Primary, St. Rinda's Primary, Full Gospel Matangi School. Children walking to school in the morning. A normal beautiful sight, but something else is happening here. University students, they are coming to Gwa Kairu in large numbers. Why? Simple. Rent is affordable, food is affordable, the superhighway gets them to campus fast, JKUAT is nearby, and the students follow affordability. Gwa Kairu gives them that. The whole student economy has grown around it. Hostels, kimbadaskis, salon, stationery, shops. The young population is reshaping this town. This is what a young town looks like, full of energy, full of ambition. The student came from school, some will stay, and that is how a town grows. If you want to understand where a town is going, look at the building. Gwa Kairu tells you everything. Construction is happening everywhere. New apartments, new commercial blocks. Land prices in Juja rose by 20% in just 12 months, reaching 21.7 million per acre. That is not a rumor, that is data. Plots in Gwa Kairu are now selling at 3.8 million for a 40 by 80 plot. 5 years ago, half that price. Investors have noticed. The question is, have you? Murera Ward, where Gwa Kairu sits, covers 6,600 acres. It is 20% of Juja municipality entire area. The 3.9 billion Juja Farm Road project, the 25-kilometer Juja Farm Adhi Road are all coming up. The foundation are being laid literally. But a town is more than a road and buildings. It is its people, and the people of Gwa Kairu are warm. Ranch at a kibanda is 80 shillings for a full meal. Ugari, sukuma and beans, sometimes beef. Real food, honest food. The barber shops are a social institution. Debates happen there. Football, politics and life. Churches are in every corner. This is a God-fearing community. In the evening, children pray, young men gather, life slows down but never stops. This is Gwa Kairu at its most human. There are the moments that don't make headlines, but this is the real town. Would not be honest to show only the good. Gwa Kairu has challenges. Some roads are still maram, dusty in the dry season, muddy in the rain, drainage needs serious attention, garbage collection is inconsistent in some parts, informal settlements exist, and residents deserve better. Security after dusk needs improvement. The town is growing faster. Infrastructure must keep up. The county government has heard the calls. Juja Constituency Development Plan is active, but implementation must match the pace of growth. The people here are not asking for too much. They just want a town that works for them. "30 kilometers from Nairobi, but this town is not a shadow of the city. It has its own identity, its own rhythm, its own future. Gwa Kairu is not done yet. In fact, it is just getting started." This was just a look inside. I am the Escapades, and there is more of Kenya to explore. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. That was Gwa Kairu Town, Juja Constituency in Kiambu County. Thank you guys for watching.